and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Our today's letter is uppercase and lowercase letter L. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letters L and L. Learn the words that start with the sound L. Learn the formation of the letters capital L and small l. So let's start. But before starting, you have to visualize the flashcard to the students. Uppercase letter L and lowercase letter L, same like that. And different vocabulary words like lantern, lemon, ladder, okay? And lion. And ask different question about lantern, about lion, about lemon, okay? So, let's start how to write it. Its sound and vocabulary words. Start from the first line, come straight down, make sleeping line. It will make capital L. The letter name is L. The sound of L is bull. Start from first line, come straight down, kick. It will make small l. Capital L, small l. And the sound of L is L. Lion. Lamb, ladybird, lemons and ladder. One time again. L, lamb, ladybird, lemons, ladder. Listening others, do you know about that? Listen quietly when someone is talking. Okay? Always wait for your turn and listen quietly when someone is talking. Very good. After that, it's story time. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. I hope so you will apply this method of teaching in the class. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.